What if one tool could make you 10 times more productive starting today? Gen Z found it. They are using it right now, and most people are still sleeping on it. This is Gen Z Millionaire, Part 2. Let us go. We are living inside the greatest productivity revolution in human history, and most people are watching it happen instead of using it. The tool is artificial intelligence, and in 2026, it is no longer optional. Stop. Gen Z understood this early. While others debated whether AI would take jobs, Gen Z asked a different question. How do I use AI to do more with less time? That mindset shift changed everything. Here is what AI actually does for a smart user. It eliminates the slow parts of your work. Stop. A content creator who used to spend 3 hours writing a script now spends 40 minutes refining one that AI drafted. She went from 2 videos a week to 5. Her channel grew 3 times faster. A freelance marketer uses AI to research, outline, and draft client reports. He delivers work twice as fast. He took on 2 more clients. His monthly income jumped from $3,000 to $6,000. A solo developer uses AI to debug code and write documentation. He ships products faster. He landed a contract worth $20,000 that he could not have completed alone 6 months ago. AI does not replace your skill. Stop. AI multiplies your output. Stop. The people who refuse to learn AI tools are competing with people who have a 10 times advantage. That is not a fair fight. The tools you need to learn right now are these. ChatGPT for writing, research, and brainstorming. Stop. Claude for analysis, long-form content, and strategy. Stop. Canva AI for design and visual content. Stop. Automation tools like Zapier for removing repetitive tasks from your day. Stop. You do not need to learn all of them at once. Pick one. Master it in your specific field. Then add the next. 30 minutes a day learning AI tools will separate you from 90% of your competition within 6 months. Stop. The window to get ahead with AI is still open, but it will not stay open forever. The people acting right now are the ones who will look back in 2 years and say, that was when everything changed. Start with one tool this week. Just one. Like this video, if AI has already changed how you work. Subscribe for part 3, which covers the income strategy that turned side hustles into full-time wealth. Comment below, which AI tool are you using right now or planning to start with? Tell me below. See you in part 3. Your unfair advantage is waiting.